Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we are unboxing the Nissan Skyline C210 from the Japan Historics 2 series from Hot Wheels. It's a pretty heavy car, this one. It's metal on metal. It's got real rider tires. Let's just appreciate the card art for a moment. I mean, it's pretty cool. I love the cartoon work that they've got on these boxes. Alright, let's rip straight into it. Let's get it out of that pack. Immediately I can feel the weight in my hand with that metal base and metal top. And this metallic purple that it comes in, it's pretty cool. I mean, I like that. It's yeah, and it's got the proper decals for the grille, the lights, the tail lights as well. Looks pretty cool. The interior is a cream. Just really nice color, this car. They've done a really good job. See the tire there? It's the rubber tire on the wheel. It's pretty cool. Okay, don't forget a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below on what you think about this Nissan Skyline from the Japan Historics 2 series. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone.